What is happening, everyone? We got another hard reset for you today. Today we are doing the Motorola G60s. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password on it and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys could, share, like, subscribe, we'd appreciate all that. We're posting a ton more hard resets and teardowns basically every day. So we got a bunch of new stuff coming. If you want to see something special, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, let's get right into this. You want to make sure that the phone is off. In this case, I already have it off. And you have your action button, your volume up, your volume down, and your power at the bottom. And we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. So I'll start holding volume down first, then hit power. Keep holding both. And it gets right into recovery. As soon as you see that, just let go of both buttons. So you don't accidentally hit start, which just restarts the phone back to turning it back on. And we want to use the volume buttons to navigate, the power button to select, and we'll scroll down to, I probably already passed it, recovery mode, and hit the enter button. It's going to take a second to load. It's going to load to this no command screen, and from here to get out of this to the actual reset, what you want to do is you want to hold power and tap volume up, and then let go of both as soon as you get into this actual reset mode. And then we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. There it is. Hit the power button as enter, confirm, hit the power button again. It's deleting. All right, all done. And from here, we can either restart the phone or power it off, and we'll just restart it. And that's it. And this will take you back to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how you wish. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto G60s. If you guys have any questions or you guys want to see something special, like I said, just drop a comment. Otherwise, if you could like, share, all that good stuff, we'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.